Okay, so let's take a quick look at the Valentine's Day shaker card. I guess you could call it a card. It's sort of a box, but you'll get the idea. So we have two covers as well as the well that goes inside, and that allows you to fill it with shaker hearts. Now, for this, you have a Chicago screw that attaches the three layers. You don't have to glue, but I would probably glue the well to your back cover, which is actually this one here. And then you put your Chicago screw through, and then this front piece will swing open, and you can put the hearts in or even include a note. So this purple piece here allows you to cut a piece of cardstock or whatever you want to cut, maybe thin acrylic, handwrite your note or engrave a picture or whatever you want to do, and then you can place it inside the Valentine as well. You also have a variety of conversation hearts, including an entirely other file of sort of like naughty ones and then sort of, I guess, anti-Valentine's Day ones as well. So you could use those. You can mix and match these, cut them from different colors, engrave and then paint fill your designs here, or use a two-tone acrylic where you engrave and then can see the words in the other color. And then you also have some little front messages for your front cover, and the idea is when you're in the Glowforge interface, and I would have shown you there but the contrast isn't super good so it's a little hard to see, you just drag these onto your front cover and then engrave them. So you can pick whichever message you want, you engrave that, that's your front cover. You have your center that will allow you to put all your hearts inside, and then on the back you'll see that I have these optional scored lines. That's so you could choose to play tic-tac-toe with the hearts if you want. You don't have to score that, but if you want to have a little tic-tac-toe board afterwards so you have sort of a use for the heart, that's a cute option. So you can do that as well. You could also, if you chose, if you want to sort of hide that, you don't want that on the back, you could engrave your front cover, cut this one, don't move anything, but remove this piece. I use sticky tape to lift it out. Put this piece in there and then do the scores on the back. Or I guess I would go the opposite way. Cut and engrave, just cut, turn this piece and drop it in, and then score this on the inside cover. And that way when you swing open the inside cover, it has the tic-tac-toe board. But I think it works a little bit better if you put it on the back. So that's an option for you as well. And I think that's all you really need to know about it. These are pretty easy to use. I have included a blank one and then also X's and O's if you just want to make it a tic-tac-toe board with sort of the hugs and kisses. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, just let me know.